Amazing All-Stars. Today is Tuesday, January 18th. Let's find out what's on our Number Corner calendar. Wow, we have a lot of cards to turn over. It says there were 16 kids in the room. Some of them went home. Now there are 12. How many kids went home? If we actually had the number 16 and we jump back to the number 12, how many jumps would we make to move from 16 to 12? Give you a minute to think about that. The answer is 4. Good job, All-Stars. Let's see what else we have on our calendar. We haven't been in school to take care of the calendar for a few days. Something minus 4 equals 13. Well, we've been taught with our subtraction facts that that first number is the biggest number. It is the biggest number. It is the number we would get when we add the two numbers that are remaining. So in order to find out what that biggest number is, we need to add 4 plus 13. The way to think of it is, I have 13, I'm adding 4 more. What is 13 plus 4? If you had 17, you are correct. Let's see what this one is. Something plus 7 equals 14. I'm thinking, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Doubles. I can add doubles. So if it's doubles, it would be 7 plus 7 equals 14. And we have Saturday's card, which is 15 is the answer. 15 is the answer. Something plus 5 equals 15. A way to think of this is, I have this biggest number 15. If I jump back 5 spaces, what number would I land on? I have 15, so then I would start counting. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So 15 is equal to 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. If we move on to Sunday's card, we have John has some toy cars. We don't know how many. Pablo has 9 toy cars. In all, they have 16 toy cars. How many does John have? Again, I'm going to do what we just talked about. You have that biggest number 16. And if you jump back 9 spaces, what number would you land on? If you said 7, you are exactly correct because 9 plus 7 equals 16. Let's see what yesterday's card was. Oh, if we have 17 and we take away something, our answer is 17. Wow. So if we start with the same number and we end with the same number, how many did we take away? 0. Good job, All-Stars. And here's today's card. We have 9 plus something equals 18. You can handle this 2 ways. You can start at the number 18 and jump back 9 spaces. Or, if you looked at it very carefully, you might think of a double. I can add doubles. And if you think about those doubles, what would 9 plus something that equals 18 be? What would that missing number be? Did you say 9? Great job, All-Stars. That's what we'll put on today's calendar. Grid. Let's put that on now. And that will be for the 18th, which we're going to add. Let's start it right here. 18th. And then we had 9 plus something equals 18. You know that first number is that first number is 18. I'll put it over to the side right now. And then we know that second number, oh, there it is, it goes in. Then we know that second number here on the end, one of those numbers is 9. So we'll put 9 down. That's this number here. And then I have 9 butterflies. My friend has some. All together, we have 18 butterflies. How many does my friend have? And again, you can look at this 2 ways. You could look at it as 9 plus something equals 18. You could look at it as I have 18 minus what I do know I have is 9 equals a missing number. I want you to look at that. Think about, what could that missing number be? Did you say 9? Good job. Good job. So the answer is 9 plus 9 equals 18. Good job, All-Stars. I'm going to do some things very, very quickly. We're going to talk about our days in school. Believe it or not, we didn't do number corner last Wednesday, so I'm going to add 2 days to it. So now that makes it 82. And then that becomes 70 plus 10 plus 2. That would give us the 82. And then we need to add 2 more days on to our days in school. Then we have one more thing we're going to do for this day. I know it took a while to go through all of our calendar things, but here's our last activity. We're going to, for week 2 we had 2 dimes, which is equal to 20 cents. So we're going to put the 20 cents up here for the information for week 2. And then we're going to move these back because we have a brand new week to count coins. Let's see what we have this time. And we have 2 dimes this time. So the 2 dimes do come back down for this week. And we'll continue to add more of these throughout the rest of the month. All-Stars, I'd like you to practice your counting. I'd like you to start at the number 100, and I'd like you to count backwards to the number 80. Use the hundreds grid if you need to. Enjoy, have fun.